After 5 years of making videos on YouTube, I have finally reached, drumroll please, 1,000 subscribers! Woo! 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 This was such an exciting moment for me, and I can't believe that one video brought me so many subscribers in such a short amount of time. I actually kind of gave up on YouTube and I was ready to switch over to TikTok. I made some TikTok videos and they got surprisingly a lot of views. I got 1,000 followers on TikTok in less than a week, and I was just like to my friends, guys, this is my new career path. I'm gonna be TikTok famous. But the followers kind of stopped. Yeah. And then I uploaded my Chloe Ting video and a lot of people liked it, especially my editing style. Even some people commented asking for an editing tutorial, which I would love to do in the future. So thank you for enjoying my Chloe Ting video. Woo! So to thank each and every one of you, I thought really hard on what I should do. I had some ideas, like I could count each one of my hair pieces until I reach 1,000, or should I try to fit 1,000 blueberries in my mouth again like I did for TikTok? I couldn't do it. And then finally I came up with the best idea. I am going to pet my cat 1,000 times. She might get mad at me, so let's see how long she can handle the pets. Oh, guys, she ran away. She's so hyper right now, she won't stay. Nana? 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 She's like attacking me. Ow! Ow! Nana, don't hit me. Ow! Let me show you the current situation. She's under my bed, and every time I try to get her, she goes crazy! Nana, come here right now. I need to pet you 1,000 times. Come on. Look, it's a finger.
2 hours later.
Guys, guess who fell asleep?
It's time to pet you 1,000 times, Nana.
This is from subscriber number 1, subscriber number 2, subscriber number 3, subscriber number 4, subscriber number 5, subscriber number 6, subscriber number 7. 61, 62, 63. Ow! Nana! She just bit me! 63, 64, 65, 100. Oh my gosh! We just did 100 pets and we have 900 more to go, Nana. Okay, ready? 101, 102, 103. 300! 300! How do you feel? 301, 302, 303. 400! Wow. 401, 402. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 600. 400 more to go. 18, 19. Ah. 20, 21. Ah. 8, 9, 700. 800. 900. No, just 100 more to go. Ready? 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, 907, 908. You got this. No, you got this. 92 more. 909, 910. Nana, you got this. I believe in you. Oh, okay. 11. 2. 43. 798, 99. 1,000! we did 1,000 pets! High five. 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 How do you feel after being pet 1,000 times? Do you feel like a new cat? Thank you so much. It was nice working with you. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and to anyone who watches my videos. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye!